Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome all of you in our next video lesson. In this lesson we are going to study about the location of our country in the world. It means we will talk about the geography of Pakistan. Dear students, Pakistan is a South Asian country because it is located in South Asia. Pakistan shares its boundaries with India in east, China in north, Afghanistan in west, Iran in southwest, and Arabian Sea is in south. Dear students, South Asian countries are Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. In this slide, dear students, we have a map of Pakistan and its neighboring countries. In this map, we can clearly see that Pakistan is sharing its boundaries with India in east, with China in north, with Afghanistan in west, with Iran in southwest, and there is Arabian Sea in the south. Students, in this slide we will discuss about the term subcontinent. India and Pakistan together are called a subcontinent. The word sub is a Latin word meaning smaller part. A continent is a huge mass of land. India and Pakistan, though they cover a big area, are smaller than the other continents. Students, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal collectively called South Asian countries. These countries are also called SAARC countries. SAARC stands for South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Students, now we will discuss about the geography of Muslim countries in this slide. Here we have a map of three continents: Africa, Europe and Asia. We can see a Muslim countries with a green color in this map. There are some countries having a light green color, which shows they are not a Muslim countries actually, but they have a majority population of a Muslim. Dear students, why Islamic countries are shown with the green color? Because green is a traditional color of Islam and it reflects the green color of the dome of Masjid Nabawi in Medina. Students, Pakistan provides a link between two major blocks like Western and Central Asian countries with the Asian. South Asian means India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Maldives and further Southeast Asian countries, Indonesia, Malaysia and so on. So dear students, Pakistan has strategic importance of its location as an Islamic country in South Asia. Thank you very much students for listening. I hope you got some idea about the importance of location of Pakistan. If you have any query and question, please contact me on my personal WhatsApp number. Stay at home, stay blessed, have a wonderful day.